How to fix TikTok account not working? Is TikTok refusing to open or acting strange with your account? Let's fix that fast. First, force close TikTok and relaunch the app. Still stuck? Go to your App Store or Play Store and check for updates. An outdated app is a common reason for login or loading problems. Next, try clearing the cache. On TikTok, go to your profile, then tap on menu and go to settings and privacy. Then free up the space from there. If your account won't log in or seems glitched, try logging in from a different browser or another phone to check if it's device related. If you see an error like your account is under review or suspended, head to TikTok support center and submit an appeal form with a screenshot. Using VPNs or third-party apps with TikTok can trigger account blocks. Avoid them if possible. Has your TikTok account come back to life? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.